So I hope my microphone here works. It's like windy in the moment. It's crazy. GoPro comes out with the GoPro Mission. I have like a lot of videos on my channel with GoPro, and a few years back I gave up. And there's a reason why the GoPro stock is so low. I mean, you can make all kinds of videos you want and tell me how great GoPro is. And so what I had with mine here, I painted it like this. So we had, like at the time, we had GoPro Hero 11. And then they made it a 12 by painting the font a little bit. Basically, it still didn't work. Like, crashes, resets, battery dead. You charge it, take it off the charger, and then what does it show? Here, this one. Now it's green. 67% green. Yeah, for one. And so now, then they have the 12, the 13, and then now they have the Mission. They do something to the lens. They have a bigger sensor, maybe. And then they put a thing like this on there. Here, I 3D printed this. Okay. Can you see that? And then I 3D printed, put it on here. Look. This is my mission now. My mission to not buy another GoPro, because it's going to be the same. I don't want to say the G word, but it will be working the same way as all the others. So to me, it's not worth it. I mean, sure, it can take a video, there's many people using GoPros and trying, but I already forgot what buttons to push to record here, so you won't see me buying one of those Missions soon. They have the Mission with the handle, where you have this like a little camera kind of thing. I can 3D print myself a little handle for this. This shouldn't be a big deal. Just a little fun weekend project for the 3D printer, That's all I have to say in regards to GoPro. I don't know even if it's worth buying stock. The stock is super cheap. But is it worth buying it, or just a lost case? Tell me in the comments what you think, and how many GoPros you are going to buy. Even the dog doesn't believe in it. Good. So, like this video, subscribe and all this stuff, and then I see you in the next.